So yeah, they say $150 to go to Kingston town, and it's 15 minutes away.
It's expensive.
So Kayla is sending us. She's sending us someone.
Okay, fam, stay put. No cheating. I totally use my hands on this.
Kayla is moving.
Kyla's moving.
So we're gonna have half an hour or 20 minutes at the skate park. Oh god.
And we're here, finally. Yo, welcome to Jamaica. Normally, when we get stuff in Jamaica, it's the guys that get most of the stuff.
This is only for girls, yeah?
Yeah.
Girls.
No problem.
Yeah, you got the
Trucks with it.
and normally you got
Here and drop off a bunch of them.
Really? That's nuts.
Because I'm a skate instructor here, I got one.
This is like green paradise.
Yeah, just go, Aisha.
Freedom Skatepark.
No.
And the cows coming here too. Like the big cows over there. These are done by some local painters.
I love it.
The park was built in appreciation of Andre Wildfire. He was like, he loved skateboarding and then he got into this thing and they killed him. So his wish, I'm not sure the whole story, but his wish was to have a skate park in Jamaica. They did this container for the youths alongside the concrete jungle, so we have homework programs, music programs and stuff like that right here in this container. Judge, so yeah, set me up with Girl Skate Jamaica. Welcome on everybody, I'm Kayla Wheeler. I'm one of the founders of Girl Skate Jamaica, and you guys are at Freedom Skatepark as a part of the bill here as well. I'm a skate instructor, and yeah, I love skateboarding and I teach skateboarding and I skate and I model. That's me. Girl Skate Jamaica, I started that in August when we had the first Girl Skate Day. A lot of local Jamaican girls came out and supported the event, which was surprising to me because it's always been just me like skating apart from Kadia. So my favorite spot in the park is all the spots. I wish I could hit all of them. This is our first official skate park. Before this we had the gully and roads. So right now having a park and seeing all the obstacles in the park is a dream for me.
My favorite part is the flat.
I love
the
flat.
Yeah, just
hard
flat.
to find.
Yeah, man, cruising and cruising and
I love
bruising.
flat ground tricks.
Hey everybody, I'm Sky, aka Right Plantains. I'm a photographer slash MMA fighter slash one-time skateboarder. I do the arts, so I'm really in love with creativity and in love with Jamaica, so I merge the two, and that's me. That's who I am. It is very, very important to have spaces like Freedom Skatepark in terms of having a safe and inclusive space for young generation of people of all different color, creed, and any kind of beliefs to be here and not to be judged. And some of these children that come to the Freedom Skatepark are actually looking for an escape from the livelihoods that they live at their houses, in their communities, etc. It has had a positive impact on the nearby community and people far out who are part of the skate culture.
female leadership grant from Concrete Jungle, which allows me to provide a space at the skate park for girls to come and just be a part of the skateboarding community. And I've just been trying to develop the scene for girls in Jamaica more and more every day.
Perfect. You want here? Don't worry, I'll get you. So hot, so hot.
Jump in. Alright, take the bag off.
Come on, Rachel.
No. British people only live in the snow. Ah! Why am I leaning back?
The wind, maybe. Keep rolling.
Big up Daisy Street. I keep rolling.
Not really long.
Nice meeting you guys. Thanks a lot for the
Thank you so much.
Keep rolling. Stay in touch.
Yeah. Right, so it's now 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. and we're back on the ship.
Oh, maybe he's going to return then.
No. I love letters. Hope you enjoy the board. Happy skating. Cool.
Bye,
Olivia. Thank
together.
you. We received 3 complete skateboard. Thank you, Route 1. Amazing. So nice. Thank you so much. We received a box from Nike as well with a lot of t-shirts, some shoes and some jackets. Amy Ram gave us some shoes. Skate Mom gave us some shoes. We give some shoes. We have here so Daisy Street, we made some t-shirt that with our design on it, just to pack everything and see how we're gonna make a luggage out of this. So yeah, let's see in 5 days at the airport with the luggage.